When the United States, Mexico and Canada completed negotiations for their new regional free trade agreement in September 2018, Ernesto Llamas from northern Mexico began building. He invested $15 million in a new industrial park and completed the first factory structure in January of this year. Everything was looking perfect as the New Deal, the USMCA, drew closer to reality.
Unfortunately, just as we had a contract ready to be signed with an investor in March, the global pandemic hit us terribly, and our investment has been stopped as a result. This space has been sitting in this condition for the past 8 months.
Ernesto isn't the only businessman to be affected by the economic uncertainty. The free trade deal itself was pushed back a month to July, but now that it's in effect, he's still struggling to rent the 10,000 square meters of unoccupied factory floor. Here in Monterrey, the authorities are doing all they can to keep the economy moving. Monterrey, one of Mexico's largest cities, has become a COVID-19 hotspot, giving rise to drive-through testing facilities like this one. Yet this industrial hub is also a key player in international trade, now guided by the new North American Free Trade Pact, which took effect in July. Hitting the ground running in this new trade era has become nearly impossible. Samuel Peña is a local consultant and former state business secretary who says when it comes to COVID-19 and free trade, patience is key.
The COVID pandemic has left us in a wait-and-see situation when it comes to international business. China, Europe and the US are waiting to see how the USMCA pans out. We have to remember that this pandemic is a global problem and that other countries are suffering economic slowdowns at the same time.
That's an attitude Ernesto himself is adopting, doubling down on his investment with a second unit in the works.
We can't just cross our arms and wait for things to change. We have to keep working and trying. That's why we're betting on the second factory space. We have faith in our authorities, faith in our country, and faith that we will get through this situation.
The view here is that beyond COVID-19, hopefully a short to medium-term problem, the new era of North American free trade is a safe bet for the long term. Alistair Baverstock, CGTN in northern Mexico.